Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, which will be located in the Google folder right over here. I'm gonna skip signing in. Now once you have it open, you can probably see that I don't have any contacts visible right here, and the only display location that I can pull contacts from is the device or SIM card. Now, I'm pointing that out because usually if you have a Google account signed in, this will add additional option which won't be visible for me, and you most likely already see some contacts in here because by default, contacts application will always try to pull contacts from the Google account if you have one signed in. Now anyway, to get started, we're going to click right here to Fix and Manage, and then you want to select Manage SIM. This in turn will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now, by default, they should all be selected as long as none of these contacts already exist in the location that the device will be importing them to. Now, because I only have the device as an import location, it doesn't give me any kind of drop down right here, but most of the time you will see a drop down right under the Manage SIM, which will allow you to change from instance from your Google account to, as an example, to the device itself. Because I don't have any options, it only defaults to the device, and it just decides to remove that option from me. Obviously, no choice there, so it only chooses the only option that there is. Anyway, now, I want to point out one more thing. If you see some of your contacts right here on your SIM card that are right now grayed out and deselected, don't worry, these contacts already exist in the location where you're trying to import them to. So the device is just simply stopping you from creating duplicate contacts. And additionally, you can also deselect contacts that you might not want. From there, select Import. It asks us if you want to keep or remove the contacts from the SIM card. I highly recommend keeping them as they don't get in your way and they are there as a backup if anything would ever happen that you lose your contacts. So I'm going to select Keep. Now when we navigate back to contacts, you can see for some reason more contacts than I have imported. There we go. So it was showing contacts from both the SIM card and the device, which not really sure how that's even possible, but it was. So yeah, there we go. Now we have a device selected, and that's the contacts that I have imported. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.